Don't miss this incredible opportunity to own two Bulgarian houses with lovely views in the charming village of Sadina, nestled in the picturesque Targovishte area. Situated just 60 kilometers from Ruse, 18 kilometers from Popovo, and 160 kilometers from Varna, Sadina village offers the perfect blend of tranquility and convenience. With its warm and welcoming community, amenities such as shops, a post office, library, bus stop, restaurant, and bar are all within easy reach. This property comprises two houses, providing ample space for extended family living, rental income, or potential development opportunities. The main house features 3 spacious rooms and an outside storage area, while a smaller secondary house offers an additional 2 rooms and storage space. An adjoining building includes an old bathroom and a basement, adding further potential for expansion or renovation. The highlight of this property is its expansive garden, spanning an impressive 1980 square meters. Well maintained and beautifully landscaped, the garden offers plenty of space for outdoor activities, gardening projects, or simply enjoying the tranquil surroundings. Additional features of the property include a garage and outbuildings, providing storage space for tools, equipment, or vehicles. There is also a charming veranda where you can relax and soak in the serene ambience of village life. With water and electricity already connected, this property is a fantastic investment opportunity offering both immediate comfort and long-term potential. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat, a rental income opportunity, or a development project, this property has it all. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of Bulgarian real estate in the idyllic village of Sadina. Contact us today to arrange a viewing and start your journey towards owning your dream home in this beautiful location.
Allow us to introduce ourselves to you, so you have an idea of whom you are dealing with. Welcome to yet another No Thrills video taken by John, Joanna, or Poppy for our site bg.house. The company name is Nyama Problemi Ltd, which when translated, means no problems. Our property website is www.bg.house. All properties offered to you are 100% freehold. And we have been selling properties for 20 years. So we have all the experience to help in any situation. Our main office is located in the town of Popovo. Popovo is a small but busy town with a village-like community with a feel. An outlook which of course is a very safe environment to live, work and play. Whether as a retiree, young couple, or even as a child attending school. There is a lot to be said for the area of Popovo, which is in Targovishte. As Bulgarian edges closer to adopting the euro, property prices are on the move. Although there are some low-end investments still being offered on the market these days, they are becoming less and less as the prices are on the rise. As you watch the videos of these low-end properties, you may find yourself shocked by the state of the houses or the grounds, with literally rubbish left behind as they had not been cleaned out prior to being offered for sale. Or the gardens are all overgrown. Well, believe it or not, that is very good news for any low-end investor or purchaser. This means you are looking at a property with the scope to make a profit. Or buy it at its absolute lowest market price, with no more than a few days' work cleaning and moving rubbish. The property itself can be resold at a profit. Without a massive outlay on repairs, this is just one way to make a profit with ease. We are always on hand to offer advice if needed. On the other hand, there is an unbelievable demand for finished properties that are ready to move into. So again, the real estate market is well worth looking into. There seems to be something for everybody. Please subscribe to our channel below and visit our website. There will be a link below and see what there is for you.